Where's the butterflies? Where's the butterflies? Wow.
I need to find some more.
Laya, where else? Where did you hide? Wow! 哎呦，长了2只啊！ Butterflies! Wow, that's nice. Thank you.
They're going to be the first ones to be impacted. Because things like pesticides and chemicals pushed out our toilets all go back into the ecosystem, the water supply, and when an insect eats a tree that has that, it will cause them to disease or die. And when another predatory insect eats that insect, it can get sick. Yeah, the main point is that I hope by the end of this show, we'll all have a much deeper understanding that animals on this table actually want to hurt you, and that includes spiders and tarantulas up here. They only do with the same response we do. If someone corners us in a dark alley, we're going to fight back. The only reason a spider bites is when it fears for its life. So, ready to start? Awesome. I'm not going to start with the Ages or grasshoppers that live at night with a long get a good look at it. I'll move around those in the back. If you want to come closer for a short minute, come take a look. Just like that. They use their wings and their arms to make themselves seem more formidable and more aggressive.
Can they fly?
Male mantises can fly, females generally can't because their body is too heavy. Yeah, now it's full threat display. And the Darth Vader comes from the deep black inside and the helmet on the head. This is a female. We all make mistakes. All right, but let's all sit down and queue up in a single line. Longer will get... Yeah, this one I don't want to let you guys touch because if it kicks you even once, you'll probably bleed with the size of your hand. Even myself, let's see. Yeah, it got me there once just now.
Because she's chunky.
All right, everybody take a seat. I'm going to bring up there. I could tell it wasn't in an aggressive mode. That's why I just stuck my hand down like that. But some of the centipedes I keep, I won't get myself within a good 12 to 15 centimeters of it because the second it smells my finger, it'll try to bite. All right, let's all back up a bit and then we can take photos once I bring her out. On the glass, I'm not going to put her out on my hand because I don't want to get accidentally bitten because she'll be defensive since she's about to lay eggs. This one is full grown. She's 5 years old. She'll live.
Oh, she's inside.
Let's find out. She's 5 years old right now. She'll live to be around 20 to 30 years of age. Tarantulas, if you get them as a pet, they're a long-term investment, in time. Longer than a dog or a cat by all means. And I use a full body.
Whoa, she's out now. Oh.
Normally she's not this aggressive, but the way she is today.
It's because
Now let me get her lower so that you guys can all get close. She won't jump out, although she can jump. She won't jump out. Her goal right now is to get back inside of her nest.